Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Derek from Midwest Aftermarket doing another product unboxing video for you here. Today we've got the K&N 57 series intake. So the 57 series is CARB approved in all 50 states, which is a really unique thing. It's going to be part number 57-2556 on our website. It's going to fit the 2005 to the 2008 Ford F-150 and Lincoln Mark LT with the 5.4 liter engine. So this will replace your factory airbox setup. So it does come with a CARB sticker as well as your instruction manual. We've got all of our hardware here, clamps, hoses, our seals for the airbox. Let's get some of that hardware out of the way. We've got our new air tube here. This will set up with the factory mass airflow sensor that'll come with the applied hardware. So let me get the actual air filter out. This is an oiled filter, so they say you can you don't have to service it for every 100,000 miles. We don't recommend that. We say to do it every 3,000 miles, which is about as regular as you change your oil. So simply hose it out, let it dry, reapply the oil, let that dry, and install it right back in to your new airbox. It's going to give you a lot more airflow, a lot better performance. They say estimated to get you about 16 horsepower on your trucks here. It's a washable, reusable filter. Like I said, really easy to install. It's backed by K&N's million-mile warranty. So if you guys have any specific questions that'll fit your vehicle, give us a call or check out MidwestAftermarket.com.